shooting? What contemplative?
Alright, we got too into the woodworking part. I like woodworking.
Remember, you look kind of angry right now.
Yeah, I'm serious. Woodworking. Working
yeah,
with
gonna, but stop
wood.
Filming. We're filming.
Is it recording?
You gotta stay right there.
I'm not standing next to that.
Go.
Oh no! That's why I didn't do.
The steel scorpion.
Wait, we got an airplane. Airplane, airplane, airplane. Meow. Alright. A note from us. Try to save all projects where you have to do anything in the attic for non-summer months, if you can help it. The surface of the sun has a direct transport link to your attic. What? Oh man, I got distracted. Hey dog! What's up?
Alright, here we go. As expected, the remotes can change the color of the scorpion at will. So now it can be a blue scorpion, red scorpion, yellow scorpion, whatever color you want.
I'm sorry. I was too excited.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. As expected, the remotes can change the color of the scorpion at will. So now it can be a blue scorpion, red scorpion, yellow scorpion, whatever other color you want.
But to us, it'll always be the mysterious. Mysterious, it's scary. If they're like this, try that again. Trying to say 2 words at once, it didn't work. Only during the summertime and only when you need to work on something up there. The attic's hot! I'm hot. You can dance if you want to, you can leave your friends behind. If they don't dance and if they don't dance,